stay here, Bruno.
Does Bruno hate water?
I told him to stay. He's going to need a bath. They're going to all need baths tomorrow. Well, at least the little dogs.
Grandma, see?
Yeah.
Just like a water and watch.
Okay, hurry. Oh. Crazy. You guys are, those dogs are nuts. That rain did them in. Come here, Bruno. You need to dry off before you get in the trailer. Come on, boy. And you guys need to dry off before you get in the house.
No.
These big dogs. Oh, look at them go.
You can barely see, sweetheart.
No. Oh, there's. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna. Hopefully they get tired. I'm gonna stop videoing. There's a little Molly. Missing our little Molly. She'd be running around barking. Yeah. Oh. There's our sweet Molly. Loving you, girl. Missing you. Oh, and there's Bruno. He usually poops in front of Molly's grave. There's a trailer. The house is over there. I'm at the end of the pad here.
Come on, Rusty.
Bruno, I think you're done. You too, Bruno or Parker? You're done?
No.
No, I gotta see something. Don't get me wet. Please don't get Bruno wet. Oh, get the big dogs. Honey, get the big dogs.
Meow. Oh. Oh.
You're wet and you need a shower. Are you cold? Hmm? All right, I'm going.
Wait, sweetheart, out here.
Yeah, she's staying out. She's wet. I wish we can see the baby.
Excuse me.
Okay. Dang, I can't believe we got a little lake out here. What should we name it? Lake Lee?
Ew.
No, Lake. Ah, you got me all wet. We're gonna name it Lake Flaherty because it's over by the trailer. Okay? Scout! Where are you going?
Rusty!
Rusty went too?
Rusty, Rusty, Rusty!
Where's Rusty? I don't see Rusty. I see Scout. See how
Look it.
Oh yeah, I see them both now. Come on, you guys.
Oh.